Hello, my little chickadees. Today we are going to be making some cookies. So first off, the ingredients. We're gonna have 2 3/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 cup butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and if you choose to add chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. So first off, I've already got my cream of tartar, salt, and baking soda in here. And then I'm just gonna add in the flour. And now we can honestly just set aside. Now for the next step of this recipe, we are gonna add it in our sugar and our butter, and then we're gonna mix it till it's nice, light, and fluffy. Now that I feel I have mixed the sugar and butter in well enough, I'm gonna add in my 2 large eggs and my 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, bit by bit, we are gonna slowly put the flour mixture into this and continue to mix it up. I finished incorporating in all of the flour, and so I'm just gonna set this aside in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and meanwhile I will be preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are not gonna have a mix of chocolate chip and without chocolate chip cookies, then you can just skip this part, but I do want that, so I'm actually gonna divide this dough in half, and then once I've done that, in this bowl I'll add in my 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, and then I will set it aside in the freezer. This is totally optional. I just wanted to have a nice mix for my clientele, aka my classmates. So I rolled the dough into pans, and so we got 12 chocolate chip cookies and 11 sugar cookies. And so I'm just gonna put these into the oven, and I'm gonna originally set the timer at 8 minutes, but then I'll continue to check on it. Check out my beautiful cookies. And hey, all you gotta do is cut them up.
I'm trying the chocolate chip cookie. It's really soft and chewy, which is how I like my chocolate chip cookies. So, 9 out of 10.
Chocolate cookie. Chocolate. It's really good. 10 times busted.
1500 BC.
Oh, the texture is really good. It's almost more like a no cookie, but yeah, it's good. 9 out of 10. It's a sugar cookie.
No. I'm sorry, they're like
4/10 out of 5.
Okay.
It's like 8 out of 10.